Check out this channel. It has only uploaded 4 videos and already has 68,000 subscribers. The first video has 350,000 views, 59,000 subscribers, and the first video with 220,000 views. There are many YouTube channels like this. But before we dive into this video, please subscribe to support me. YouTube is changing day by day, and it's evident many small YouTubers are experiencing massive view explosions with their first videos. But there's a good explanation for this surge in views. Channels creating their first videos see thousands, even millions of views after a deep analysis of these channels. It's clear they have 3 common factors, which I'll tell you in a moment. Recently, YouTube's algorithm changed to give attention to smaller creators like you and me. This change was significantly influenced by TikTok, which uses a similar algorithm. On TikTok, small accounts are pushed to the For You page to get a wave of views in their first few videos. When creators see these initial views, it gives them a sense of motivation and inspires them to keep creating more and more content. In the case of TikTok, this means more videos, more users, and more money for them. So now, YouTube is doing the same thing. But there's a small catch: your video must be of high quality. YouTube used to push out content based on how frequently a creator would post. But now, it realizes that this is no longer the most effective way to keep people on its platform. Small creators are leveraging this change to their advantage and have started earning money at extremely high rates. But how do you take advantage of this change? In reality, it will all depend on the quality of your next few videos. But how do you know if your video is high quality? Well, YouTube video quality is defined by these 3 factors: average view duration, title, and of course the thumbnail. If you can consistently perform well in these 3 areas, even if you don't have a single subscriber yet, YouTube's algorithm will push out your content to millions of people. This specific channel had only 3 subscribers before posting their first video, but after a full 2 days of careful editing, the video was uploaded and is now racked up over 1 million views. But what can you learn from this? Choose a topic that interests you. Create a script, record a simple voiceover, edit a compelling video that will keep viewers watching, and make sure to have an interesting title and thumbnail. For video editing, use Premiere Pro or CapCut. I personally use CapCut because it's easiest for me to work with. If Premiere Pro or CapCut doesn't suit you, find another software that works for you. For script writing, I recommend ChatGPT. For creating thumbnails, use Photoshop, as it's the choice of 99% of YouTubers for creating thumbnails. But if you don't have Photoshop, you can use Canva. For voiceovers, it's best to use your own voice. But if you have a poor microphone and don't want to use it, use a program for voiceovers. My recommendation is 11 Labs and Clipchamp, as I personally use it. And if you have a microphone but it's low quality, it's better to use an AI tool for creating a voice. People you don't know will always give you the most honest tips. So if you're not sure how good your video or thumbnail is, ask a stranger or even someone you do know, like a friend or family member. When you think your video is finally ready to be posted, upload it to YouTube. YouTube will usually take about 2 days before pushing your video to the homepage and testing to see whether it's good or not. If the algorithm receives positive feedback from your click-through rate and average view duration, it will start sending it out to a larger audience. In conclusion, now is the easiest and best time to start growing a YouTube channel. So if you don't start now, when will you start? If you have not choose your niche and you want to know which niche had the highest CPM, you can go through this video. I hope it could help you get a ton of money. See you in the next video.